When considering Tick for your productivity and time management needs, there are 12 things you should know before making your decision. If you're looking for a tool to help you stay organized, track your tasks, and improve time management, this might be worth exploring. But stick around until the end because we'll also share a better option that could work even better for you. First, Tick is known for its simple, user-friendly interface. Unlike some other productivity tools, which can feel overwhelming with features you might never use, Tick keeps it streamlined. Its minimal design focuses on helping you manage your time without distractions. Next, Tick integrates well with various calendar and task management apps. For example, you can link it with Google Calendar to sync tasks directly with your calendar. This makes it easier to see everything in one place. However, if you're using a more niche tool like Asana or Trello, you might find that Tick's integrations are limited compared to some of the other big-name productivity apps. The third thing you should know is that Tick operates on a simple yet effective time tracking system. You create tasks and then assign a time estimate for how long each task will take. While this is a fantastic way to stay on track, it's worth noting that the time tracking is a bit more rigid compared to other software like Toggle, which offers more flexibility in tracking time for various projects and clients. The fourth thing is Tick's pricing structure. The free plan is limited, and you'll likely need to move to a paid plan to unlock features like team management and advanced reporting. It's an affordable option for solo users, but for teams, you might want to compare it with something like Monday.com, which offers a broader set of features for collaboration. The fifth point is Tick's task management system. It's not as feature-packed as competitors like Todoist or Notion, which offer more customizable workflows and detailed task lists. Tick keeps it simple, focusing on a clean, task-based approach that could appeal to those who just want to get things done without fuss. Now, the sixth thing is that Tick allows you to set goals and track progress. It's a straightforward system, but if you're looking for something more granular with in-depth progress tracking and analytics, you might find software like ClickUp more suitable. Tick's goal-setting features are basic, but they serve their purpose for those who need a no-frills solution. Next, Tick's mobile app is functional, but not as polished as some competitors. While it does the job of syncing your tasks and time tracking, it lacks some of the advanced features that make other apps, like Things 3 or OmniFocus, stand out. If you're someone who needs a robust app on the go, this could be a factor to consider. The eighth point is Tick's reporting capabilities. While it offers basic reports on time spent, it's not as advanced as some other tools like Harvest, which gives you more detailed insights into project time and team productivity. If you're running a business and need deep analytics, you might find Tick a bit too basic. The ninth thing you should know is that Tick is great for solo productivity, but lacks the depth needed for large team collaboration. If you're managing a team, something like Trello or Asana might be better suited, as they offer advanced collaboration features and greater flexibility with task management. The 10th point is Tick's simplicity, which can be both a strength and a limitation. It's perfect for people who need a no-nonsense approach to task management, but it lacks the customization options of more advanced tools like Notion or Todoist. If you prefer tailoring every detail of your workflow, Tick might feel a bit restrictive. The 11th thing is that Tick doesn't offer as much automation compared to competitors. While tools like Zapier or Monday.com allow you to automate repetitive tasks, Tick's automation capabilities are limited. If you're looking to automate large chunks of your workflow, you might find other options more appealing. Finally, Tick is a solid choice for those who want something easy to use with a focus on time management. But if you want more flexibility, deeper integrations, and advanced reporting, you might want to check out our recommended solution that offers a free trial. It might just be the productivity boost you need. So, while Tick has its advantages, it may not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for a more robust solution with better customization and reporting, check out the link in the description to try our recommended software for free.